Raju was having a lot of fun during his summer break. He had come to his village during the holidays. Every morning, he used to go for a stroll on the river bank, talk to his village friends, play games, paint sceneries of the village, and note down his experiences in a diary. Today, when he woke up, it was raining heavily. His heart sank. At that moment, his cousin, Lata, entered the room. Looking at Raju's sad face, she asked,
Why are you upset, Raju?
Didi, look, it's raining so heavily. How will I go to play outside?
You are upset because of this. You know, we can play a lot of games inside the house.
Ludo, snakes and ladders.
Chess, carom board, and cards. Come, let's build a card palace.
Yes, Didi, that sounds like fun.
Wow, Raju, you're making a card palace. I too enjoyed this game during my childhood.
Papa, what all games did you play in your childhood?
I used to enjoy playing gilli danda. Like you children play cricket, I liked gilli danda. This game is played with a small piece of wood and a long stick. The small piece of wood is called a gilli. This is why the game is called gilli danda. This gilli is supposed to be struck with the stick and launched as far as possible. The player whose gilli goes the farthest wins.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What other games did you play?
I enjoyed Kho-Kho and Kabaddi a lot. I was the captain of my school's Kabaddi team. In our days, boys enjoyed wrestling too, though I was never interested in it.
And Ma, what kind of games did you like playing?
Oh, a lot of different ones. I was in the school hockey team. Hockey is our national sport. Aside from hockey, I also liked playing badminton. And you know, we enjoyed Antakshari a lot. I knew so many songs that my team always won.
Lata Didi, what are your favorite games?
I don't like much running around. I do enjoy playing hide and seek with my friends. This is a game which can be played both indoors and outdoors. All the kids hide in different places and one player has to seek them out. I like Gitte and Stapu too. Gitte is playing by throwing and catching stones, and in Stapu or hopscotch, boxes are made on the ground into which you have to jump.
Raju, we've shared our favorite games with you. What games do you like playing the most?
I enjoy chess and football the most. I aspire to play chess like Vishwanathan Anand.
Nice! Vishwanathan Anand is counted among the top chess players in the world. Many players have brought pride to the nation. Just like Sania Nehwal in badminton, Sania Mirza in tennis, and Sachin Tendulkar in cricket.
Papa, Sachin is among my favorite players too. If one pursues his sports with discipline, then a lot of name and fame can be earned.
Absolutely right. Summer holidays can be spent not just in playing, but also learning new skills like embroidery, knitting, painting, dancing, singing, etc. Gardening, cooking, reading. These are also interesting ways of spending some spare time.
Okay, Raju, now tell me, of all the games we mentioned today, which ones are indoor games and which count among outdoor games?
Outdoor games include Gilli Danda, Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, hockey, badminton, hopscotch, football, cricket, tennis. Indoor games include Antakshari, Gitte, chess. Some games like hide and seek can be played both indoors and outdoors. You also helped me understand that one can productively use the holidays pursuing many hobbies and activities.
Well done, Raju. Look, the rain has stopped.
Yes, I am going out to play. Tata.